What are you up to?
Just recently been to an auto jumble. What is this? A what?
A KL250.
KL250 and God, this is just bits from a Z250C. And I'm on my hands and knees sorting bits out.
So what are you going to do with it?
I'm going to get it going. But we've got a fish for it. We're going old school. This is medicine bottle. So let's see what's in here. Washing machine parts. Cheers. It's a Hot Point 250.
So have you found that washer you were looking for?
Hey, I like it. Yeah. Black Beauty. She's a black horse.
So how far you got with this so far anyway?
I don't even know. Oh, that's a washing machine bit. Don't know. Just anything that's green is obviously coming off this bike. Is off this bike. It's got two looms. The donor bike looks like it's been in a crash because the deduction of the shape of that. So the guy who had it before has obviously bought a smashed up Z250C in blue. That's green. At some point he's painted the frame. That's the original green, and he's gone
For the green on that other bit of metal that's down there.
yeah, and he's gone elf green. So we'll call it elf green. But it'd be interesting to see how much. I reckon that's washing machine as well.
No, that's a wheel.
That's obviously the wheel off the wheel.
It's a wheel spacer.
So what we need already is the brake locator. Would you call it?
No, sprocket carrier,
Sprocket carrier.
which we haven't got. So you're going to build this and get it green laning, are you?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's going to be a good height for me as well. I don't know what this is.
That's off a Honda.
Yeah, but what's bike it? Do you reckon this is Bob Geldof's old bike?
It's off Honda.
Yeah, I could get that covered quite nice.
So you stole some handlebars off me?
Yeah, listen mate, you'll be running out of handlebars, the amount of stuff that you found under that bench. I don't know what's going on here, but I think this is back to front. Look, surely the big bits at the back to protect the engine.
Turn it round.
Just saying, that's all I'm saying. Bit of Solvol Autosol, that's Solvol Autosol on here. So this engine, we, by means of deduction, because we've got two speedos, so we think that this bike was bought in 1983, and the guy had the original owner. It's had one owner, bought it and knackered the engine by putting, what was he put on a wrong gear.
No, he adjusted the chain wrong. It was too tight.
He adjusted the chain wrong. It was too tight, and the engine that was on this, it messed up the gearbox. And it's been stood, and then the guy that donated this bought it in 1984, and it hasn't turned a wheel since then. So in theory, this bike is only a year old, and we think that this is the scrambler clock that's done 5,000 miles. And here's the other speedo that's done 11,000 miles. So we think that this engine has done 11,000, which isn't bad. And as an added bonus, it's electric start, this one, because it's off one of those custom things. So that'll be good.
So will it be ready for next year? Green laning, Isle of Man.
Now it's 10:15 now, so Yeah.